Hey guys, I'm here with Hampton with SeaHunt Boats, and we're on his BX25 forward seating edition. Take it from here if you don't mind.
Yeah, so we have two different models of our BX25s. One's a BR, more for fishing. This is our forward seating model. If you come to the front, we actually recessed the deck 7 inches to be able to put cushions all the way across and add backrest.
Okay.
So instead of just putting cushions on top of the deck, which would be, kind of unsafe, we recessed it down, and that way you can sit, below the gunnel here and have a rail to hold on to as well.
And you can still remove this and have all this fishable space.
You remove all these cushions, and you don't lose any fishability in this boat. This boat also comes with a full glass enclosure and a little bit larger console than our other bay boats. Having full glass enclosure on a bay boat is not very common, and it's very nice. So this boat comes paired with a 300 Yamaha. All of our V6 engines come standard with electric shift, fly-by-wire throttle, which is extremely nice.
Yeah, it's definitely above average console for a bay boat. You don't see this, as you mentioned. It looks like exactly what you have on your bigger boats, which is extremely nice for a 25-foot bay boat.
Yes.
You guys did a great job here.
This boat comes standard with a live well leaning post with a gasket here. It's very large. We'll, accommodate it, as much bait as you want there. But it also has another live well here in the rear.
Very nice. I see you got a little tackle center here on the side.
Yep.
Well.
Tackle storage there. With these seats folded down, it's a nice casting platform back here for fishing. But after you're done fishing and you're ready to take a cruise in the evening, we have 3 jump seats across the rear. That way you're separated, you're not crowded, and everybody has a cup holder. And both sides in the back of the boat here, there's 5-gallon bucket storage. So you can put your cast nets, all that kind of stuff, and you can easily take the whole bucket out.
It's a great idea.
Makes it very accessible.
There's actually a cutout within the hatch that holds that bucket in place. It makes it very easy to pull in and out. It's a great little detail on this bay boat.
Yeah, and as you can see, this is a very large bay boat, but it still only drafts 15 inches.
Oh wow, that's great. And what speed does it do with that 300?
It's going to do high 50s.
Okay, very nice. Well, Hampton, thank you very much for your time.
Yep.
It's a beautiful boat. If you guys have not seen this 25 bay, we definitely recommend it, or reach out to one of their dealers.